If your HP QuickDrop app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply won't open, then this could be happening because your HP QuickDrop app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to fix your HP QuickDrop app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate HP QuickDrop. Click on the three dots to open the HP QuickDrop options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If the HP QuickDrop app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The HP QuickDrop data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If HP QuickDrop is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete HP QuickDrop data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If HP QuickDrop is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall HP QuickDrop and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The HP QuickDrop app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download HP QuickDrop again. Search for HP QuickDrop. Click on HP QuickDrop. Press Get. Wait for HP QuickDrop to be downloaded and installed. Now open HP QuickDrop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.